Hello YouTube, this is Little Mr. Hardcore, aka Robert. Got another box. Should be the last one unless they get more, which haven't. I'm amazed they got these ones. But I did find it, so here we go. See if we can get another double medallion. Which I have seen the new Topps baseball medallions, which are probably the best ones they've made yet. I like those ones so far.
Oh, the flags?
No, those are old. Ooh, this one might be damaged. It was smashed way up to top there. This is 2019 Road to WrestleMania, and it was already on sale. So, well, I guess it's 2020 now. So, here we go. See if I can't get a color or something, which I never really ever. Once in a blue moon, I do. Jimmy Uso, Sami Zayn, Roman Reigns, John Cena, Mark Andrews, Daniel Bryan. Who's this? Sami Zayn beats AJ Styles. AJ Styles. Alexa Bliss. Kurt Angle. Bronze of Daniel Bryan and Shane beat Kevin Owens and Sami Zayn. Jinder Mahal defeats Shinsuke. Buddy Murphy and Kalisto earn a standing ovation. AJ Styles. That looks like Braun Strowman eliminates 5 competitors in the Elimination Chamber. And then they made him lose, as always.
Did he lose that match?
Well, it would have been for the world title, I'm pretty sure. So, yeah, he lost. That's how it always is. Naomi. Oh. Jeff Hardy. Ronda Rousey insert. SmackDown Live. Roman Reigns. Kurt Angle. And Kalisto. Jey Uso, Braun Strowman, another bronze of Cedric Alexander, Kevin Owens, Baron Corbin, Dolph Ziggler, AJ Styles.
Jesus, how old this is.
So far, one card for the PC. Bobby Roode, Triple H, Rusev, Buddy Murphy, Cedric Alexander, Undertaker, and The Bar.
You mean just Murphy? No.
Undertaker, Matt Hardy, Hideo Itami bronze, Braun Strowman, Kane, Roman Reigns, and Steve Austin. Luke Harper, Rusev, Ronda Rousey, Kira Tozawa, New Day, Usos, and AJ Styles. Oh. Man, I never get any color in these anymore. That one's damaged pretty bad. Big old dent in the top. I don't know if you guys can tell. There's a big ding in the top. It's only Nia Jax. But Nia Jax, AJ Styles, bronze of Braun Strowman, Sami Zayn, AJ Styles, Mustafa Ali, Drake Maverick.
Can you give them the correct the retail boxes?
Mustafa Ali again, Cesaro, Ronda Rousey insert, John Cena, Seth Rollins, Team Raw, and Kurt Angle. Jinder, Shane, bronze of Braun Strowman, Kalisto, Shinsuke, and Mojo Rawley goes berserk on Zack Ryder. So let's see what's in here. We got the Charlotte beats Nikki Bella. Charlotte beats Brie Bella. Paige turns on Charlotte and Becky Lynch. And Charlotte wins Beat the Clock Challenge. And our hit is Miz 2-colored shirt to 99. I'll take that. It even says, congratulations, you own an authentic Miz worn shirt relic. I'll take that over a medallion any day. I like the 2 colors too. That's pretty cool. It's $27.99. So that's pretty cool. Finally get something that's halfway decent. But anyways, that's it. That's what I got. Oh, and Dolph for the PC. So that's what I got. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye!